When you have a save dialog opened on your Mac, instead of navigating to a folder, if it's already open, you can drag it into the save dialog to jump to its location and quickly save your file. You can quickly enable D&D mode on your Mac by holding the Option key and clicking the time option in the menu bar. And these are just a few things your Mac can do you don't know about. In this video, I'll share 15 things that will make you an ultra productive Mac user. When you have a text document open, you can easily navigate it using simple keyboard shortcuts. Hold down the Option key and use the left and right arrow to move one word at a time. Use up and down arrow to move between paragraphs. Instead of Option, hold down the Command key and move the cursor to the start and end of line using left and right arrow. Want to go to the bottom or top of your document? Just use the up and down arrow instead. You can hold down the Control key and use the keys F and B to go forward and backward one character at a time. Add the Shift key to any of these combos and you will not only move the cursor but also select the text. For example, I can hold down the Option Shift keys and use the up or down arrow to select the entire paragraph. While working on your document, if you forget the exact word or its spelling but remember the first few letters of it, you can easily get suggestions by typing the letters and using the function plus F5 keyboard shortcut. It will give you a list of words starting with those letters and you can easily find the one you are looking for. On that note, if you want to quickly share the document you are working on, instead of navigating to the folder where it's saved, click and drag the document icon in the top bar and drop it into the app you want to share. This works with images too. You only have to hover over the image name to reveal the file icon. You can also quickly open the document file in its location. To do that, hold down the Command key and click on the name to reveal the file path. The topmost item is the folder where your file is located. You can click on it to open the file location. One of the most powerful features of Mac that most users aren't aware about is the quick actions. Select a bunch of images, right-click, choose quick actions, and you can convert them into a PDF. You can also convert images between PNG, HEIC, and JPG format without opening any photo editing app. While you are in the right-click menu, you can also rename a bunch of files quickly. Select the file, right-click, and choose the rename option. You can choose to replace or add text in the existing file names, or use the format option to add your own custom naming scheme. If you have a video file, you can use the quick actions menu to trim or rotate it, but a better way to do is using the quick look feature. With the video selected, hit the spacebar to open the quick look. You can use the trim button at the top to trim the video. There's also a rotate button that you can use to rotate your videos however you want. Combining videos on Mac is pretty easy. I learned about this feature recently and was blown away by it. If there are two videos that you want to combine, you can do that without using any video editing app. Open the video you want to be at the start in a QuickTime player and drag the second video on top of it. It will automatically add the second video at the end of the first clip. QuickTime has another hidden feature that you will love. Say you're watching a video and want to capture a still frame from it. You can take a screenshot, but that will restrict the image resolution to the captured area of the screen. The easiest way to capture a still frame of the video while preserving its actual resolution is to open the video in QuickTime Player, go to the Edit menu and choose the Copy option. Alternatively, just hit the Command-C keyboard shortcut. Now, open the Preview app, go to File and click the New from Clipboard option. Or just hit the command in keyboard shortcut. Now you have the still frame in its original resolution and you can save it wherever you want. Your Mac's keyboard has built-in volume and brightness control, but not many people know that you can hold down the Shift and Option keys to adjust these volumes in quarter for greater control. This is one of my most favorite hidden feature of the Mac. Too many windows can result in crowded workspace. Instead of hitting Command-H to hide one window at a time, keep the app you want to work on as an active window and hit the Command-Option-H keyboard shortcut to hide all the other app windows at once. If you need extra workspace, you can hide the dock using the Command-Option-D keyboard shortcut. You can also resize and move the dock without opening the system settings. Click and drag on the divider line between the apps and the trash can to resize it. To move the dock from bottom of the screen to the left or right, hold down the Shift key and click and drag the dock to the left or right of your desktop. There's no obvious way to access your Emoji keyboard on Mac. It's not an issue in chat apps like Messages or WhatsApp, as they have built-in emoji keyboard. But what if you want to add emojis to your document or anywhere else? Hit the keyboard shortcut Command Control Space and it will instantly come up at your cursor location. Searching for AirDrop in right-click menu is cumbersome. That's why I recommend you add the AirDrop icon to your Finder window to quickly access it. Right-click on Finder, choose Customize Toolbar option and drag and drop the AirDrop icon. Next time you want to share anything, click to select it and hit the AirDrop icon to share it. The Mac Spotlight is not just for searching files and launching apps. You can use it to convert currencies and other units of measurements, track a live flight data, find weather forecast, and so much more. If you want to learn more about Spotlight features, you should watch this video next. I will see you there. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.